Okay, my fellow irresistible president is being installed today. Today is his investiture as the 41st president of Rotary Club of Gbagada. So it went well, to the glory of God. The event is to celebrate leadership and also to raise funds for the projects that he has ahead, the plan to do in this year. And he was able to raise funds to make impacts in his community, and that's a great one. Wow, that's amazing. You know, we've been doing different projects in different clubs, but this very one, 750, that's a lot. That is impacting 750 students, teenagers, giving them knowledge to relearn, learn, and unlearn what they've learned before. You can imagine that what will happen to the community, what will happen to the society as large. So I'm really, really proud of my fellow irresistible president that is doing greatly well and is making great impact, not just impact, great impact in his community.